your car on fire yet?
Are you videoing? This is how you fail, Dad. What's the code? You business.
That's possible. Fold inside mirrors? Not bad. The interesting to safety, please stay inside your vehicle. I'm gonna board this. I'm gonna get out when it's doing this.
Come on! So you bought 2 for 20. Does that mean you gotta wash your car twice in a row?
Yeah.
Like if it's fun, we'll do it again? Oh god, there's a person behind us.
I know this. He bought one right after.
Ah!
He's copying me.
Oh my god, hurry up. Oh my god, it's gonna kill them! It's like smashes the back of the car up. It's like, oops.
Sorry.
It's too high. What are you doing, you stupid arm? I don't know what it's trying to do.
Leave the arm alone. It's just trying to do its job. It's being an arm.
Yeah, you can sit there. I don't want to hold it.
I don't even know what you're videoing at all. In fact, this is going in the trailer, idiot.
This is what's going in the trailer. It's a clan meeting.
This is horrible.
Oh. Still making noise. Too accelerating. You gotta knock the camera over. Oh yeah, the McFlurries. Oh, you broke it. Get your arm off.
Telling me to drive out. Why would, if they're there, why would they be told to drive out on this screen?
I have no idea.
So press hash after I'm done or something?
Please enter your code. Program 1 ready, apparently.
I don't know what that means, but
Drive up!
let's do this.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You gonna stop, I guess?
It's telling me to go off, isn't it?
Mm-mm.
Don't know.
Oh, stop, stop.
Apparently you're going to turn your car off.
What a mother now. Oh my god!
Put the window, well, I can't trust you.
Shit just got real!
This is how lazy people wash their car.
That was fun, let's leave.
Yeah. Hopefully the bottom holds up.
The fuck was that? Some sort of...
I like this.
Oh god! Oh, bad machine!
What?
This car isn't that sexy.
Pretty sexy.
No, it isn't. It's a Camry.
Oh god, it's got to say Boris! It's like, I don't want you to see this.
It's like raping the front of your car.
This is going to end good. The first person to test out a car wash.
Rush.
The very first person to ever test out a car wash. I'm going to die, aren't I? It's great YouTube.
What the fuck is it doing? Get over the window. Oh, here it comes.
Oh god.
It didn't go all the way. Ah. I just hit the car.
You get that.
Ah! No! Look at the side one. Like all the mirrors snap off. Let's never do this again. Why did I buy 2? Can I have one?
You don't have Just drive you by. Oh, I'm gonna die! This is the end of Dead. It's like, Jed died at a car wash. You're like, wow. It's just like the Facebook thing predicted how I died. How did I get it like that?
Oh, it's coming from behind.
They're always coming from behind for you, Jed.
Oh, funny. Fucking.
So, like, this is when I edit.
Yeah.
You probably stop thinking of it, edit, don't you?
No, I'm just gonna get all the edits of you dying and make an alternative edit and upload it. It's gonna be called Brett dying at every game ever.
Yeah, I'm gonna make another edit of a video I'm gonna make called Jed never getting McDonald's ever again.
It's going for his head!
Oh my god! I've been in there! It's way worse! I've been in Nam, Iraq, and I'm fat! This is much worse than them all put together.
Yeah, I wish everything snapped off on your car.
I think you have it on video.
And then you drive off and you
They need mirrors. I want to see how sexy my car looks. This can't be it.
Nah, there's another thing that happens. See, look, it's spraying stuff. Stupid white balance.
I supposedly have light.
Oh, it's raining!
I got like the under thing and also the rims.
Did you?
Yeah, it was like $2 more. Like, takes an extra minute. Seriously, I don't know why anyone wants the car.
I think that's a rim part. No, wait, no, it's not. I don't know what it is. I think it's a blow dryer, it is.
That's fail. Why would you want that?
Oh, here's that squeegee thing.
You gotta hold my can so you have to get it out. I didn't like drive out of this, but...
Oh, this is where it just goes through the windscreen part.
It's lining up for our heads!
Ah, that's getting real close!
Extra chance to do it, look.
Whoa, holy crap, look at all the water go. It's a fan. Oh, it's a big fan. Yeah.
No way you'd wash your car by yourself. This is like 1,000 times easier.
Yeah, all you're doing is drinking mother.
And sitting here. Forgetting about that, I'm not sleeping.
Fair enough. Oh, no, it's doing the back.
The fan's getting too heavy, I'm gonna put it down.
It's doing the back, and the person behind us is still waiting.
That's what usually people do at car washes. They wait for the next person to finish. It's like a double-decker car wash. Yeah, this is awesome. Where do I put my double-decker bus? Half can go above, half can go... You're an idiot.
Oh. Here it comes to kill everyone.
It's getting dark. When does it come inside and clean the inside of the car?
That's the water's going up the thing.
Hey, gravity, suck on this!
Yeah, because that's what it's for. It's quiet. I told you to get out.
It's like, hurry. You should go straight to like a river.
Damn it! We get out of the car and there's no paint left on it.
We can now.
Smash, smash, smash. Well, that was fun.
I ate the purple berry. Does it taste like Ralph?
Tastes like burning.